Garmin's GMR Fantom 18x radar delivers strong, solid-state output that gives small targets and distant weather cells a crisp, reliable return on a compatible chart plotter. The fast rotation speed keeps the picture feeling very live, making it easier to track other vessels and shoreline details when you are maneuvering in tight or busy waterways. Adjustable target sizing and automatic gain control help separate overlapping echoes so buoys, channel markers, and small craft stand out instead of blending into background clutter. MotionScope Doppler processing and true echo trails make moving targets and potential collision risks much more obvious, which is a real confidence booster in poor visibility. Dual range and dual radar support let you view close and long range simultaneously, and build in redundancy across multiple displays, which is ideal for more complex helm setups. Power save tools and timed transmit modes are surprisingly flexible, allowing you to trim energy use without feeling like you are sacrificing situational awareness on longer trips.